Hydrogen water is on track to revolutionize the water industry in sectors such as sports, fitness, wellness, beauty, medical, and disease treatments. In human and animal studies, it has been known to have potent healing and recovery effects on brain conditions such as dementia, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, and Parkinson's, to name a few. It's been known to help with skin discoloration, healing of the liver, heart, lungs, and especially the gut. It's had positive effects on diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and obesity. When you think about it, the main cause of disease and aging is oxidative stress. So when it comes to hydrogen and its potential in the body and its reach, the question is, what can it not help with? Hydrogen has the potential to be a literal age reversal due to its effects on telomere length and DNA repair. So what sets hydrogen apart from any other type of antioxidant? Number one, its tiny size. It's very easily absorbed with around 300 to 400% bioavailability. Said to be about 400 times smaller than vitamin C, hydrogen can get to places most other antioxidants cannot. It can even cross the blood-brain barrier and cell membranes, penetrating into the cell's nucleus and mitochondria, which is incredible. 2. Selectivity. Because hydrogen is a very stable molecule, it not only reacts with the very worst free radicals, hydroxyl radical and peroxynitrite. This means that it leaves the beneficial free radicals that we need to repair, such as after a training session, and only targets the very worst free radicals. Number 3, cell signaling. Hydrogen actually works on the genetic level by turning on the genes that code for our natural defense systems. Hydrogen tells your cells to start pumping out more of your own natural antioxidants like glutathione peroxidase or superoxide dismutase. I know it's a little sciencey, but stay with me. In short, hydrogen is a potent and highly absorbent antioxidant and cell regulator, which might even give some Wolverine type regenerative powers if you train a lot or just want to regenerate from a serious illness, and anti-aging abilities as well, if taken consistently enough. Since drinking hydrogen water myself consistently over the past 2 years, I've noticed a dramatic increase in not just youthfulness, but physical strength, which means that there must be a hormonal component to this. But I've actually noticed a reversal in my age, even after turning 40 and looking at photographs from the past. This has become very apparent. And I know, along with my other healthy habits, that hydrogen is a huge component in this due to many factors, primarily its ability to reach everywhere and its antioxidant capabilities. So how do we get hydrogen? Hydrogen is extracted via an electrolysis process using a portable hydrogen machine such as this little beauty here, the H2 Grail, which packs a punch in terms of its hydrogen content, but it actually lives up to those claims compared to most machines online which advertise inaccurate ppm numbers. And there is a couple of videos I've made already showing how to measure hydrogen and what ppm parts per million measurements mean. I'll be talking about how you can test your water for hydrogen content using a blue liquid reagent and why you should avoid those crappy machines you see listed on Amazon and Instagram. I've tried and tested many machines over the past few years, and of course, in my view, unbiased, the H2 Grail is the best for its quality and its cost. There's a lot to talk about in terms of hydrogen in comparison to ionized water and a lot of misconceptions there. But in truth, the therapeutic content that's been coming from these machines is the hydrogen and not the ionization or the negative ORP of the water. And you can buy this little machine from h2grail.com, which is available internationally. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. They're also launching an incredible countertop model, which I use literally all day, every day. And you can contact them for a pre-order of that. It's a hybrid of reverse osmosis, 3-stage filtration, UVC light sterilization, and hydrogen. And it's a pipeless machine. It's also portable. So this will run for a 10-minute cycle. You can stop it manually or just let it finish and it will stop automatically after 10 minutes. 1 beep for 5 minutes, 2 beeps for 10 minutes. Sometimes the pressure can get a bit high and you can't untwist the lid. So there is a pressure release valve. There you go. It's splashed on the screen. And then it's easier to release. Thank you for watching.